City. A city is a big place with many people and buildings. The city has tall buildings. The city is noisy at night. She loves the city parks. They visited the city museum. The city lights look bright. We took a bus in the city. The city has a big park. Her house is near the city. Desk. A desk is a table for work. The desk is in the corner. I cleaned my desk today. He keeps his tools on the desk. She put the toys on the desk. He organizes papers on the desk. The desk is in the living room. Menu. A menu is a list of food and drinks. It helps you choose what to eat. The menu is on the table. The menu has many choices. She read the menu quickly. He ordered from the menu. The menu shows drinks and food. I saw the menu on my phone. The menu had pictures of food. He pointed at the menu. An artist makes art. Art is pictures or things seen as creative work. Artists use their hands and imagination. The artist painted a nice picture. My friend is a talented artist. The artist's new art is famous. The artist showed her work today. The artists like to paint landscapes. The artist's studio is cozy. The artist wore a blue shirt. The artist worked in the park. Bottle. A bottle is a container for liquids. It holds drinks and is often made of glass or plastic. I drink water from a bottle. The bottle is full of juice. He dropped the bottle on the floor. She carries a bottle of water. The bottle of wine is tasty. He threw the bottle in the trash. Camera. A camera takes pictures. It captures what you see. People use cameras to remember things. I took a photo with my camera. Her camera is new and shiny. They used a camera during the hike. He bought the small camera today. The camera shows a clear picture. The camera is on the table. She pointed the camera at the sunset. The camera was in his bag. Carrot. A carrot is a tasty orange vegetable. You eat it. It grows underground. I like to eat a carrot. They found a carrot in the soil. He bought a carrot today. We saw a carrot in the garden. The juice has carrot in it. She cooked a carrot soup. Cheese. Cheese is a type of food from milk. People eat cheese. It tastes good. I like cheese on bread. She eats cheese every day. We shared cheese with friends. The cat saw cheese on the table. He is buying cheese for lunch. She wraps cheese in a bag. Clothes. Clothes are what you wear. They cover your body. I need to buy new clothes. She washed her clothes today. His clothes are all clean. They packed their clothes for the trip. He hung his clothes on hangers. The clothes are in the closet. Kids wear bright clothes. Work clothes are in the drawer. Birthday. Birthday is the day someone was born. We celebrate it each year. She is excited for her birthday. My birthday is tomorrow. We will have cake on your birthday. Her birthday last year was fun. They gave her a gift for her birthday. He wore a hat on his birthday. We took pictures on her birthday. She received a card for her birthday. The birthday party was loud and fun. Cat. A cat is a small animal that many keep as a pet. Cats are soft and like to sleep. They can catch mice and are funny. Cats purr and have whiskers. Many people love their cats. The cat sleeps on the sofa. The cat is eating fish. My cat is very soft. A cat jumps on the bed. The cat hides behind the chair. The cat plays with a ball. I see the cat in the park. My cat likes to sit in a box. Boat. A boat is a small water vehicle. It floats and moves on water. People use it to go for a ride or fish. She rows the boat on the lake. The boat is near the dock. They ride the boat together. My dad fixes the boat today. We saw a boat sail away. He boards the boat early. The boat passes the bridge. Kids play near the boat. The boat is full of water. The boat carries many goods. Book. A book is a collection of pages with words. People read books for fun or learning. I like to read a book. The book sits on my shelf. The book is on the table. He bought a book and read. We borrowed a book from school. She opened the book slowly. He gave me a book to read. The book has many pictures. Boot. A boot is a big shoe. It covers your foot and part of your leg. People wear boots outside. I wear the boot today. She has a new boot. His boot is muddy. I found a lost boot. He stepped in a boot. Cafe. A cafe is a small place to get coffee and snacks. People go there to relax and talk. She drinks coffee at the cafe. We go to the cafe often. He waits at the cafe door. They meet at the cafe soon. I read a book in the cafe. We order cake at the cafe. She works on her laptop in the cafe. The cafe has good coffee. Hair. Hair is the stuff on your head. It can be long or short. People like to take care of their hair. His hair looks shiny and clean. My hair is curly and thick. He brushes his hair every morning. The wind lifts his hair. She wears a hat over her hair. His hair colors bright in the sun. They style their hair for the party. An actor is someone who acts in plays or movies. They pretend to be someone else. The actor smiles on stage. The actor reads lines aloud. An actor wears costumes sometimes. The actor performs on TV. The actor walks on stage daily. The actor wears special makeup often. The actor acts very well. Dirty means not clean. It has dirt or mud. It needs cleaning. The dirty shoe is wet. She wore a dirty hat. The dog is dirty now. His hands are dirty. The dirty car is outside. She found a dirty shirt. They saw a dirty pond. He picked up a dirty stone. The kids played in dirty water. Festival. A festival is a fun, special day. People celebrate and enjoy it. We went to a festival today. The festival had many lights. She made a costume for the festival. They danced during the festival. The festival was very big. Kids played games at the festival. People buy food at the festival. The festival had loud music. Families walk around the festival. Hospital. A hospital helps sick people get better. She goes to the hospital today. The hospital is nearby our house. He was taken to the hospital fast. They work at the hospital together. Her mother is at the hospital now. The hospital has many nurses. He visited his friend at the hospital. The hospital has many machines.